Easy to install, designed with clever features, and suitable for babies from 4 to 35 pounds, the Nuna Pipa infant car seat is a comfy ride for your littlest passenger. The Nuna Pipa is one very easy to install car seat. Rigid universal anchorage system connectors on the base make it quick and simple to attach to your vehicle's anchors. And the indicators on the sides of the connectors turn from red to green when they're latched securely, but you should always give the base a pull to double check. You'll need to place the carrier on the base to make sure the blue level line on the carrier is parallel to the ground. You can also install the base with your vehicle's seatbelt if the UAS installation isn't compatible with your vehicle. And if you're traveling, you can even install the carrier without the base. One of the features on the Nuna Pipa that we like a lot are the harness holders on the sides of the carrier that keep the straps out of the way when you're placing your baby in the car seat, a huge plus when your little one is sleeping. Adjusting the chest clip is simple. It always needs to be at your baby's armpit level, and the 5-point harness tightens easily with the pull of a single strap. Make sure you can't pinch any of the harness straps. Once your little one is snug and secure, you simply click the carrier onto the base and you're ready to go. As your baby grows, you'll need to rethread the harness to adjust the height of the shoulder straps, but this is quite easy to do on the Nuna Pipa. After loosening the harness, you'll need to remove the straps from the splitter plate. You may find this a little finicky your first time, but it's really simple once you get a feel for it. The straps thread through the harness slots very easily without any alignment issues between the fabrics and slots in the car seat, and then you simply reattach the straps to the splitter plate. The Nuna Pipa comes with a super soft infant insert for smaller babies. It features a removable low birth weight pillow that can be used from 4 pounds until your baby can fit snugly in the seat without it, usually at about 11 pounds. One of the best features of the Nuna Pipa is its UPF 50+ canopy. The Dream Drape extension offers amazing sun and light coverage, while also providing good airflow thanks to mesh panels along the sides. Plus, there's a peekaboo window on the top of the canopy, so you can quickly check in on your little one without disrupting a snooze.